So hello everyone, once again welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I will go through the Security Exchange Board of India SEBI office Delhi. So how I go through SEBI office? So it is the visit conducted by our college industrial and academic visit trail. To reach the SEBI office, the officer have a guide all the students and making the quiz competitions and extra awareness program through the securities and stock exchange related things. All the students get knowledgeable the visits and also learn more about the SEBI and took the awareness campaigning in all the college students throughout I teach in this the program. If I say banking sector, then so if you want to know how the college students go in this the various places in the visit sales, so uh, uh, write down in the comments box to make I video in the next video about how the visit sales happen. We are united in our respect for money. So starting with we all there is the venue and sign about the names on the papers who the visit through college students. After that, the officer came and introduce ourselves and they gave introductions and after that they break the ice cube and took the questions of related to safety and they after that they watch the video they we all the watch the video and in knowledgeable sessions and give the feedback about things and they also teach a lot of activity and apps like they have to all the facility of the fraud etc things to assist victims they will have to you and the app name is the Saarthi app, which is available in the Play Stores. Here, various activity and things helpful app. Do we really know how to treat our money with knowledge? No, I don't know anything about the share market. I want safety, I want surety. Is there any option which gives me both? ஒரு கம்பெனி நல்லதா இல்லவா கெட்டதான்னு எப்படி தெரியும் நமக்கு किती ऑप्शन्स आहेत कुठे आणि मी पैसे गुंतवू आय डोंट हॅव मच नॉलेज अबाउट शेअर्स दॅट्स वाय आय डोंट इन्व्हेस्ट इन शेअर्स कोणत्या कंपनीमध्ये गुंतवणूक केल्यावर मला चांगले रिटर्न्स मिळतील हे मला कसं समजणार So if you have any questions, so feel free to reach out in the comment box. I will give the answer. And thank you for watching till in the video, and we will meet in the next video.